Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Avasthi. Welcome back to our own channel Maths in Minutes. In today's video, we are going to understand the difference between the parallelogram and rectangle, square and rhombus. Many students feel confusion in these quadrilaterals. So let's understand. The parallelograms look like this. Here the opposite sides are equal as well as they are parallel. Right. Now if we talk about the diagonals, the diagonals bisect each other. That means the length of this AO is equal to OC and DO is equal to OB. Adjacent angles will be supplementary. That means angle A plus angle B will be 180 degrees. Same way C and B will be supplementary. Same way D and C will be supplementary. D and A will be supplementary. So these are the properties of parallelogram. Now rectangle is a type of parallelogram. So all the properties of the parallelogram are inherited by the rectangle. Right? That means diagonals will be bisecting each other. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Now, if all the properties are inherited, then what is the difference? The major difference is, the very first difference is, in rectangle, all the angles are of 90 degree. Right, but it is not necessary in the parallelogram, but in rectangle all the angles are 90 degree. And another thing is, diagonal AC is equals to diagonal DB. The length of these two diagonals are equal. Right, but here length AC and DB are not equal, but they bisect. That I mean to say is, if AC is 5, then this is 2.5 and 2.5. If DB is 6, then this is 3 and 3. But here in rectangle, it is necessarily that if one diagonal is 6, other has to be 6, and all the angles are 90 degree. Come to rhombus and square. Now rhombus is a type of parallelogram. That means all the properties of parallelogram are there with rhombus. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, but here in rhombus specifically all these sides are equal. Right, adjacent angles will be supplementary as it is a parallelogram. Well, now diagonals, if we talk about, diagonals of the rhombus bisect at 90 degree. Right, now if we talk about square, in a square also diagonals bisect at 90 degree. Angles will be supplementary. All the sides are equal. Now here what is the difference? The very first difference is, square, all the angles are again of 90 degree each. And the second thing is, the diagonals of the square are equal, whereas the diagonals of the rhombus are not equal. Diagonal AC is equals to BD, right? But here diagonals are not equal. So this was very short and simple video to clear the confusion between the quadrilaterals. Keep watching the video, like, share and subscribe my channel.